Hi, Bubbas. Hi. Say hello. Oh, you're so cute. Say hi, Grammy. Hi. You're sticking your tongue out.
Oh, whatever. God. You're not cute. Get over it.
He's here, Daddy. I'm picking on you. Aww. This is your stop.
What's wrong? Did your mom get the other messages?